Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oseong'eto mar doho mowito oko juogo jo Kenya osuru mar udi. Kanolose e kaunti ma Meru, Ruto nowacho ni doho nowinjo migi thuolo mar timo gik moko kaka chik dwaro moloyo wite oko chutho.
Mimi nataka niwaambie wale wameenda kotini ati kuzuia hii mpango ya housing. I want to tell them there is no greater public interest than the employment of millions of citizens who for a long time have never had an opportunity to work in their country because there has been no plan on how to employ young people in Kenya. For the first time, the government of Kenya, through a popular vote in our manifesto, have a plan on how to create jobs in Kenya through the housing program. I want to say, for the avoidance of doubt, we are already making the law that the court authorized that we go and make the law. They should have given us a chance to complete the law, but we are going to complete the law and we are going to go forward with making sure that we create opportunities for jobs for the young people of our country, because that is what the people of Kenya want, that is the right thing to do, and that is where public interest is. Tumekubaliana jameni? Tunaelewana? Tuko pamoja ama tuko pamoja? Kuna watu wananiambia wameenda kotini ati tusimamishe ajira ya hawa vijana. Na wao wako na ajira. Bibi zao wako